Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to private Twitter account. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on the settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and safety from the given option. Now go to the audience and tagging. Then turn on the protect your tweets option. And you will private your Twitter account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to a private Twitter account. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.